All right, we're here finally. Ready for break 863 going in reverse. Next break is 868. We filled 3 football breaks. We filled 4 football breaks and a basketball break before we were able to. So no, just 3 football. Division break. That might be the answer. What's going on, Lance? I wasn't planning on picking too many of these up. I did order a case of 5-star. It's looking at, like, if we do a random team case break of that, it'd be about $40 a spot for an 8-box case. That comes out Wednesday. I hope that wasn't a mistake. I thought there might be enough people want to break the new product. Some Ohio teams, huh? Really? Got both of them. Alright, National Treasures. Comes in a crate. Not overflowing this time. Alright, good luck, everybody. Yeah, 5-star comes out Wednesday. First one up is John Lester. Colossal patch with a pinstripe for the Chicago Cubs. There it is, numbered out of 99. Cubs hit going to Javi Osario. Next hit is Marcus Lynn Betts. This Mookie Betts, is that his real name? Marcus Lynn? Or is that another player? Numbered out of 99. Looks like it'd be Mookie to me. Going to Javi Osario. It's 2 in a row. Next hit is Tony Gwynn for the San Diego Padres All-Century Relic. This one out of 25. Tony Gwynn for the Padres going to Joshua Morris. How about this World Series game? What a crazy game. Next card is a bat relic of Heine Grove for the Cincinnati Reds, numbered to 99, National Treasures Greatness. That's a cool card. Cincinnati Reds hit going to Lance Tucker. Next card out is Lucius Fox, Tampa Bay Rays, Colossal Relic Autograph. Numbered out of 99. I am not familiar with Lucius. Rays hit goes to Tom Clark. Still 7-all. That was a long time ago in this game. Next up is Jonathan Lucroy for the Texas Rangers, number 4 out of 25, on-card autograph. Jonathan Lucroy belongs to Ron Nash. Like 2 cards in a booklet left. Next one is made in Puerto Rico. Carlos Delgado on-card autograph, number to 49 for the Toronto Blue Jays. How about that? Your trade worked out. One for both of you. Blue Jays hit going to John Mulreen. No cards or Marlins yet. Next card is Anthony Rizzo on card autograph for the Chicago Cubs. Numbered 24 out of 25. Anthony Rizzo for a nice break for Javi Osario. This next one gonna make somebody pretty happy. All rise for Aaron Judge, 44 out of 99. Rookie signature jumbo materials. Aaron Judge booklet for the Yankees. Nice hit, Tony Leslie. I saw it when I got him out of the crate, so I knew there was at least one big one coming. Oh, these booklets. So Aaron Judge, or Tony Leslie now, has two pretty big Yankees cards that I know of. I've seen him sporting a Derek Jeter around town. And now he's got an Aaron Judge booklet. Alright, that was National Treasures. I don't know that I plan on buying anymore anytime real quick. That was a painful fill. It's a cool product, but a tough one to fill. Aaron Judge booklet out of 99. We had the Anthony Rizzo autograph for the Cubs. Carlos Delgado Blue Jays autograph. Jonathan LaCroix, a Rangers auto, colossal patch auto of Lucius Fox for the Rays. Bat relic Heine Groh, Reds, Tony Gwynn relic for the Padres, Red Sox, Marcus Lynn Betts, and John Lester, Chicago Cubs. Alright, that was it. I'll let you guys go so you can finish watching this World Series game. It's a really good one. Turned out to be a good series. Have a good night. I'll have Bowman Chrome up tomorrow if you're looking for baseball.